Smart movers, welcome to my channel. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Technology is not the answer, it is a tool. The answer lies in how we use the tool. I am Siam Pasarly, the author of Create Your Own Empire and the co-author of Be Your Own Boss. I am delighted to have you on my channel. Here, I share valuable insights on 4 essential topics. First, business. I share my experience from start to finish. How to start a business, how to run a business, how to have innovation, and how to expand our business. Second, career and personal branding. Develop your unique brand and take charge of your professional journey. We are publishing topics, everything about your personality branding. Third, technology. Stay up to date with the latest tech trends and innovations. 4, education and motivation. Learn and be inspired as we embark on this growth journey together. Warren Buffett says, the more you learn, the more you earn. My passion lies in empowering individuals like you to achieve your goals. I firmly believe that everyone possesses a potential to create their own empire and achieve their greatness. You will find reliable and important information on this channel to help you reach your goals. Join our vibrant community and subscribe my channel. Remember to share these videos with your friends as their success is equally important to us. Smart movers, most welcome again. Stay with me and I invite you to watch my other videos.